Good morning, students. Back to your mathematics class. Children, we have already started with the concept of pie chart. I have explained you how to draw a pie chart. I have also explained you to make table for it, in which we have learned to find the fraction and to calculate the central angle for the sector. Now children, based on that only, we are going to solve questions from exercise 5.2. So let us start with question number 2. The question is, a group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the three seasons, that is rainy, winter and summer. The table is given here, children, the data, according to which 90 people they voted for summer season, rainy season 120 people voted, and 150 people voted for winter. So total number of people are how many, children? It is 360. So based on this data only we have to draw a pie chart, and also we have to answer the given questions. So for drawing a pie chart, you know that we have to first make a table in which you will find the fraction and the central angle. So let us start with the solution. Let us first find, children, the fraction of the whole. That is, in the first column we have taken season, second column we have taken number of votes, and third column we find the fraction of the whole. That is, what fraction of the whole like summer season, what fraction of the whole like rainy season, and what fraction of the whole like winter season. So children, we know that 90 out of 360 like summer. Therefore 90 upon 360 gives you how much? 1 by 4. Got it? So 1/4 of the people they like which season? Summer. Same way 120 upon 360 is equal to 1 by 3. That means 1/3 of the people they like rainy season. And winter, children, 5 upon 12. That is 5 upon 12 of the whole they like winter season. Now using this ratio only, fraction only, children, we are going to find the central angle for each season, sector that is. So 1/4 of 360. Why are we taking 360? Because we know that the measure of complete angle is always 360. Isn't it? When we draw a pie chart, it is in a circle. It is also known as circular graph. So beta, in circle we draw it. So in a circle from center, children, that is the total angle is what? 360 degree, the complete angle. Therefore, what will be the angle for this sector? That is for summer season. It will be 1/4 of the total angle. So 1/4 of 360 is 90 degree. Same way 1/3 of 360 is 120 degree. And 5 by 12 of 360 is 150 degree. And children, when you add 150 plus 120 plus 90, you will again get the complete angle, that is 360 degree. Got it? Now using this sector angle, we will draw pie chart for this question. Now children, here I have already drawn a pie chart for this question. According to the table which we have made, you can see, children, that the summer season is for what? For 90 degree. Therefore, first thing we do is we draw a circle. We draw a circle, children, and I am just drawing it roughly and I am showing you. You first draw a circle like this. Then you take a center using your rounder scale and all. You draw a radius first. Now children, after that, taking this as the radius, you keep your protector on the radius and you measure 90 degree. So 90 degree, you can see it here. So same way here I have measured 90 degree and it came over here exactly. Got it? You keep your scale like this. Okay. Therefore, when you measure this as 90 degree, you draw the line. Now for the second sector, children, for rainy season, the sector, the radius will change. Now you will keep your protector like this. And when you keep your protector like this for rainy season, you know that what was the angle, children? It was 120 degree. Isn't it, for rainy season? Therefore, now you will measure taking this radius, taking this as the radius, you will change the radius. And you will measure 120. The dot is here, children. You can see that I have put a dot over here, and then you will join the point and the center like this. Okay, so this sector becomes the sector for rainy season with 120 degree, and last leftover is children nothing but winter. So this is for winter season. So this is how we can draw the pie chart for the given data. I'll explain you the next question in the second video, children.